Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Get ready to add some tech magic to your home. Whether you're checking on your house from far away or adding a gaming touch, these cool smart gadgets are here to help you stay in charge no matter where you are. And if you're not a fan of cooking, get ready for something really cool coming your way. The Samsung Family Hub Smart Refrigerator is the heart of your kitchen. You can see what's inside from your phone or the display on the door. It does a lot. Order groceries, find recipes, control smart devices, and more. It's got features to manage your home and even play music and videos. Now meet the sleek smart lock that's changing home security. It's fast, unlocking your door in a snap. Use a password or fingerprint, or have it unlock when your phone is nearby. The Plus Lock feature adds extra security choices, upgrade your security game, and stay safe in style. Tea lovers pay attention. The Smart Teapot is here to take your tea experience up a notch. With lots of tea types, each with its own special traits, brewing can be tricky. But this teapot takes care of that by brewing each tea just right, with the perfect heat and time. Here's the cool part, it checks how you feel and then makes tea that matches your mood. Just press a button and enjoy a cup made just for you. Meet your home's new protector, the TI P-Link Case Calm. Armed with a wide-angle lens covering 130 degrees, night vision up to 25 feet, and two-way audio, this camera keeps you in the loop. Control it using the app or Amazon Alexa, streaming footage directly to your devices. The Case Cam alerts you to specific activity zones and records when motion or sound is detected. Your recorded clips are safely stored in the cloud with strong encryption. For outdoor security, consider the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Cam. It captures clear footage and efficiently stores videos. The wireless camera adjusts its floodlight based on available light thanks to a light sensor. Two-way audio adds an extra security layer, warding off potential intruders. Meet the 5th generation Echo Dot Steel, the latest version with more than meets the eye. Despite its familiar look, it boasts better sound and a stronger bass. Tap it to manage media and calls, while a temperature sensor keeps you updated on the room's warmth. With Alexa's help, automate tasks like turning on the AC as the temperature rises. And guess what? It also works as a Wi-Fi extender with built-in Eero, making it a versatile smart speaker, tech helper, and personal DJ in one neat package. Say goodbye to laundry troubles and let the LG Closet do the trick. Imagine it as a wand that gets rid of smells and germs using steam power. But this closet isn't just for cleaning. It's like your clothes buddy. It dries them, smoothens wrinkles, and removes odors with a smart hanger. Advanced press feature even gives your trousers a neat crease. Changing settings is easy with the touchscreen. The smart home monitor alerts you to sounds you might miss. Place sensors around your home and connect them to the app. You'll receive notifications for cries, door knocks, and alarms. The sound collection keeps expanding, so you'll know everything happening in your home. Wake up, Sleeping Beauty! Say hello to NatureX, the smart desk controller that's also like your personal helper. Don't let its small size fool you. It's the star of the show at CES 2023. Forget the buttons and screens on the model there. This controller is like a boss for your life. It wakes you up, turns on lights, and handles things like opening the garage, reminding you to shop, giving weather news, and even starting your car with a tap. You can set up smart plans like leaving home or sleep, and control other things with one click, even your Tesla. Say goodbye to ordinary takeout and welcome a new era of great cooking, all thanks to your very own robot chef. The Molly Robotic Kitchen is a game changer for those tired of cooking but tired of dull delivery meals. Just tap the main display or your mobile and Molly comes to life, freeing your day from the usual cooking grind. It creates menus that suit your taste and lifestyle, making full meals and even suggesting dishes based on what's in your kitchen. And the best part? Molly handles the cleaning so you can enjoy your tasty meals without the mess. Say goodbye to manual cleaning with the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. This innovative 2-in-1 device vacuums and mops your floors, nimbly maneuvering around obstacles. Set virtual boundaries through the app or voice commands to create no-go zones. It's powered by a Robot OS offering strong suction, a hands-free operation that lifts the mop pad to prevent wet messes, and a 4-stage cleaning system for impeccable results. Plus, it even empties its dustbin by itself. Hey guys, don't miss out on the rest of the cool smart home gadgets on our list. Take a moment to hit that subscribe button below. By doing so, you ensure you're always up to date with our fascinating content. Plus, you'll join a community of like-minded tech enthusiasts and gain access to in-depth explorations of fascinating topics like this one. Prepare for the ultimate kitchen upgrade with a smart air fryer that cleverly looks like a toaster oven. With 11 presets, it caters to your every culinary whim. Craving something crispy? Air fry it. Hosting a crowd? Grill to perfection? Easily control your cooking via the app or by asking Alexa. The package includes helpful accessories for effortless cooking. If a robot kitchen sounds expensive, consider smart saving. The Accuray Smart Thermostat can help cut electricity costs. It works with many radiator valves, ecosystems, and voice assistants. You need a hub and a couple of temperature and humidity sensors. The Easy app lets you set your preferred temperature, and it can even turn off the heat when doors or windows are open or when there's no movement. You can also create schedules or warm up your home before you arrive. It's great for saving energy and keeping your home comfy. Turn your living room into a party hub with the Sobro table. It has a special drawer to chill drinks. The table's underside has LED lights for a party mood. Want music? Connect your phone or TV via Bluetooth and use the touch buttons to control your entertainment. You can even control the LED lights and drawer temperature. The table also has USB ports and outlets for charging devices. And don't forget the storage drawers under the glass top to keep things neat. Still flipping that light switch manually, juggling bags while doing it must be annoying. Well, it might be time to trade your usual light switches for these smart dimmer switches. You can set timers so the lights turn on and off automatically. Is your partner still asleep? Adjust the room to a gentler light so they can wake up slowly. You can also use voice commands or the app for this, and guess what? This switch can even act as a way to call everyone for dinner. Spending lots of time in front of your computer for work or games, good lighting is essential. The lamp is a great choice. It has 4 dynamic RGB light modes that groove to music beats thanks to a sound sensor. For work, use white light and adjust the brightness. With a high color quality, the light feels natural and won't strain your eyes. Your phone's almost dead. Charge it on the built-in wireless pad and USB-C port. When you're done, fold the lamp and take it with you. Here's another pick from Yeelight. The Cube lamp is modular and customizable. Not a fan of the presets? Create your own patterns with the app. When the lights aren't dancing to music, the lamp can also function as a clock. Ready to smarten up your windows? My Smart Blinds turns regular shades into smart ones. It's simple to set up and control the blinds with your smartphone. Set schedules to manage your home's temperature and save energy. And if your neighbor throws a noisy party, just close the blinds. Do you want a smart home without spending much? Meet Smart Plugs. They let you control small appliances and gadgets remotely. Set schedules and save energy by turning off outlets when not needed. There you go, a smart home on a budget.